So guys, I got a question on groin pain, hip pain, and inner thigh pain. So some easy things to do to address that. First of all, make sure you stretch the inner part of the thigh. So some ways to do that, it's like a butterfly stretch, so we can get into that. An easy butterfly stretch would be here. We've done this one before. Sit up tall, back straight. You can kind of hold at your feet, gently drive the knees out, kind of towards the floor. So that's one that you can do. Again, also, I like the S position, kind of that, this is almost like called a pigeon stretch, but I like this because it's gonna get the outer part of this left hip, the inner part of this right hip as well. So I've done this stretch before, so you're kind of going down this way just to get the outer part of the hip, but then you can almost go towards your foot. So stay nice and straight, and as you go towards your foot, you're gonna feel a little stretch in this hip and then the inner part of this right hip as well. So again, going down, stretching this way, and then if you're more flexible, you can even turn your body towards this right knee and then gently bring your body down that way. It's really gonna stretch that hip capsule, and it's gonna stretch the groin area. Then of course, you've got the belt, using your belt to do a belt stretch. You can do hamstring, but work the inner part and the outer part, both parts. So even if it's your groin adductor area, you always want to work the whole hip. It's really important to do that. So don't get fixated on where the pain is, work on the whole hip. So the stretch we talked about this way, again, going across to get the outer part. And then also, this one is going to be the one where you kind of feel it more than anything, is going out this way. Try to keep your back flat, stretching the inner part. You can work some different ranges. You can work down and up. Just find where it feels nice and restricted and tight, and you can hold that position. So that's another one. Another tool we can use is foam roller. It's great to warm up, use for a bunch of different things to kind of loosen up your tissue. You can use before or after as a warm up as well. Again, get in this position, and you're just going to work the inside of the thigh and the hip. Get kind of nice and in. If you find a restricted, tight area, painful area, just hold it. You can hold, kind of pin that area down and just hold it for 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, whatever feels good to you, whatever releases the tissue. So there's another one. And of course, the other video using the voodoo band is a great one. So taking the voodoo band, wrapping that around. I did a video with Chad Hardy, so I'll put the link down below. This one really helped his hip pain. Wrapping the band around kind of your groin area, hip area, and doing some movements with that really helps relieve some of those symptoms. Those are just a few things to work on to get your hip pain under control, to really help stretch out the adductor or the groin area, which can be kind of one of those areas that are very stubborn to treat. So be kind of consistent, be gradual. Also, I like putting some heat on the area as well, on the thigh, just to kind of relax the tissue before or even after you train. So hope those help, and thanks for the question, guys. See y'all next time.